yo, yo. We call it señorita.
Señorita.
Yeah.
Because it smells so nice. Paano naman tayo?
Hi guys, welcome back sa isa na namang vlog, and this will be, I think, our last vlog here sa Ho Chi Minh. And excited ako today kasi this is going to be like a local experience. Susunduin tayo ng motorbike rider dito sa hotel, and then iikot niya tayo sa buong Ho Chi Minh, trying their local food, kung ano ba yung mga hindi kasama sa mga usual na tours kapag nag-iikot ka dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So this is very exciting. Sana mag-enjoy tayo. And by the way, I am back here in Vietnam kasi nga 3 days lang ako dun sa Cambodia. Talagang tinignan ko lang yung water festival nila and kung ano ba yung mga ganap doon. And of course, na-meet natin si DK. DK, shout out! Maraming salamat sa pag-ikot sa akin sa buong Phnom Penh. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yun. And now, this is going to be our last tour. Kasi bukas, uwi na ako. Actually, nag-extend ako ng 1 day dito sa Ho Chi Minh kasi nga medyo masama daw ang panahon sa Pilipinas. So, napilitan akong magstay muna. Buti na lang, I usually overbook para hindi ako ma-hassle. So, I think maya-maya lang, dadating na yung sundo ko and mag-iikot na tayo sa buong Ho Chi Minh. So, let's go. Let's shoot. Ayun, so nandito na yung tour guide ko. He will...
right now.
Yeah.
I'll just turn the motorbike.
It's okay. So this is Red. He will be touring us around Ho Chi Minh. Have some coffee, have some lunch, all around the city. So this is going to be exciting. Thank you, Red, for being my tour guide today.
See you.
And let's go. Dito na tayo sa coffee shop, and Red will explain to us how this coffee works. And let's try it.
This is an old coffee shop. It's called Saigon Sữa. So Saigon, the old name of this city, and Sữa is mean oat in Vietnamese.
Wow.
Let's see the decoration inside. And let's try the traditional coffee of Vietnam. Robusta coffee with the condensed milk.
Okay. Yung coffee shop. Ang ganda ng coffee shop. Sure daw is old. So this is like an old coffee shop. Hello. I still have my helmet on. So kumuha lang si Red ng coffee and then itatry natin dito. Ang ganda ng place, ang cozy. Alam mong parang vintage talaga siya. And ang cool lang ng atmosphere. Marami din mga nagkakape, and of course, meron din kami mga kasama na same ng tour na kinuha ko. So, ang swerte ko kasi mabait si Red. Very friendly, very accommodating, parang hindi siya nakaka-intimidate nung unang meet namin. So, I'm really looking forward. This is just the first stop. I don't know kung ilang stop to, but I'm looking forward to it. Grabe guys. Kung nakita nyo naman siguro, kahit yung sa monument niya, nakuha nila yung expression niya nung sinusunog niya yung sarili niya. And it's really, ewan ko, ako kasi may, ano ako parang mabilis akong maapektuhan ng mga ganito. Kasi, yep, kasi emotional. But, yun, grabe. After dito, ngayon naman daw, pupunta daw kami sa isang weapon bunker. Pero i-check namin if available siya kasi nga under renovation daw ngayon. Hopefully available para at least matingnan natin kung ano yung meron doon. And yun, so far, na-enjoy ko. I hope may nalelearn din kayo kasi grabe ang rich ng history talaga ng Vietnam. So let's go to the weapon bunker. Tayo sa weapon bunker. So pakita din sa atin. And good thing it's open right now. So talaga makikita natin. So let's check it out.
But let me tell you about the story about this place first. So this is the owner of this house. This man, his name was Mr. Light. Mr. Light, he was a double side agency. So it means that at this time he worked for both sides. But actually he's from the north of Vietnam. He's from the communists in the north. They came to the south and they worked in the independent police. The independent police used to be the president office before. So it's just 1 hour from, it's 1 kilometer from here.
Oh, very
it's
near.
still in here in Ho Chi Minh City, and now it's for the tourists. So Mr. Lai, he was a constructor in the independent police. So he was a constructor. That's why he can dig the bunker here, and he moved the dust outside, and nobody cared about that because he was a constructor. The people, they thought that he was doing his job
Yeah.
in this house.
They didn't know.
So he bought the house and then secretly dig the bunker in here. Just him and his wife. It took 8 months to finish the whole bunker in here for hiding the weapon. This hole, there was the escape way for the soldier before, and this thing was only for Vietnamese soldier because in the past the Vietnamese soldier, they were tiny, about 1.6 meter high, and they were skinny, so they kept crawling inside the hole.
Yeah, because
to
Vietnamese are
escape.
small people.
Yeah, it can make another house. It's not for American.
Yeah.
American, they're too big for the hole.
They can't fit.
Yeah, they are they was the escape way before. And here we are right here. This is the house we're here, and the independent police is right here. So the soldier, they took the weapon from here.
So there's a way
Yeah.
from here to the independent palace.
Yeah, so 15 soldiers, they took the weapon from here to turn the weapon. They get on free car and they attack the independent police. It's just 1 kilometer from here. And this place, the president office. And then the battle is last for 3 days. The soldier, they just attack and hide in
They
this
go back,
house
yeah.
around here. That's why it lasts for 3 days. Yeah, only 15 soldiers. They were so brave. And the old map of Saigon. The Saigon River here. Your hotel is around. The hotel is around here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. The hotel is around here. Yeah. And we've been walking straight right around here.
So meaning actually is interconnected through the tunnel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So like there was the escape way, so it's connected to another house.
yeah, but now it's all sealed up.
Yeah, they cover it.
Okay.
Before.
There's no issue for us to take the
Yeah.
Okay.
They discovered this house. They came here. They shot on the door.
So they found out
Yeah.
eventually.
Yeah. They found this plate. They shot it. And the people, they eat the snail here.
Ooh, escargot.
The snail is very popular in Ho Chi Minh City because the French
Yeah.
was here. So now, it's influences with the French. Everybody, they eat snail.
Do you eat snail?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, that's cool.
In the beginning, I don't really like the snail. I don't know how to eat them. But now it tastes so good right now.
Yeah.
Especially when eating some snail with beer.
With beer.
Yeah, with beer. Very, very nice. At night, the flower market, it turned into the street food market. And this is the most famous street food market in Ho Chi Minh City, called Pei Kei. This is the name of
Ho
the
Chi
street
cake.
food market. Yeah. And the street food market is open from 6 p.m. until midnight.
Ooh,
But the flower market here is open 24 hours a day.
the flower market.
Yeah, the flower
Oh,
market. The flower is really important in our culture. And traditionally, people they buy flower once a month for worshiping. They look at the moon, and whenever they see the full moon, they buy flower for worshiping.
Ooh.
And during the Lunar New Year, we decorate our home by flower. The more flower you have, the more lucky you get.
Ooh,
That's
okay.
how we believe.
That's why it's a really big deal here, the flowers.
Yes. That's why we buy flower a lot.
Yeah.
Through a year, we buy a lot of flower.
So good business, huh?
Yeah. And this market is the wholesale market. It means that the flower in here is very cheap.
Ooh, okay. Yes.
And most of them are from Dalat City or Mekong Delta.
Oh.
Have you been there? Mekong?
Yes,
Mekong?
yes.
Alright.
And we toured the Kuchi tunnels too. I think it was during my second day here.
This building has been totally empty since 2013 until now, so more than 10 years empty already. There are 3 blocks and 30 floors for each one. It's really big. This building was built in 1994 to 1997, and the investor they built this building in order to welcome the Hong Kong people migrant to Vietnam. But in 1997, England they gave Hong Kong back to China. That's why there was no Hong Kong people came here.
Ooh.
And the second reason that this apartment was already desired by the Hong Kong style. It's very,
it's
it's very
designed
narrow. It's stuffy and it's the low ceiling, so it doesn't suitable for the Vietnamese lifestyle. And this apartment in the past was really expensive because this is a good location.
Yeah.
So there was so many people used to live in this apartment. And everything about the building, the rumors around this start from 2002. In 2007, there was also the couple lived here. The man, the man, he killed his wife and he chopped the body of his wife in his apartment. In 2009, there was a big fire here. And because of fire, there's a lot of people died because of fire. And there was a pregnant woman suicide there. Last year, there was a homeless guy. He went inside and he suicide in there just last year. So there was, and that's why when the people that was living in there at night, they heard the baby crying, they heard the laughing, they smelled the incense, but they didn't know where this thing come from. So the people they be scared and they just move out. And it's totally empty since 2013. So a lot of weird things happen to the building like that. That's why the owner of the building, she invites a feng shui master. Do you know what is feng shui?
Yeah.
The feng shui. So the feng shui master, he came. They look at the building and they say that this building was so wrong in the feng shui. First of all,
The design is wrong.
yeah, the design was wrong. The feng shui is everything about the building,
Negative.
the location, negative power. First is about the color. So in the past, this building there was pink. There's not green like that. So with the pink color, being 3 blocks with the pink color, it looked like 3 incense for the dead people. Because when we in a formal way, when we burn the incense, we burn 3 incense for the dead people. So when this building was pink, it looked exactly like 3 incense for the dead people.
For the 3
Yeah.
buildings.
So the owner, she changed the color. And in the middle of the market, this is the monument of the founder. The founder of this market.
Oh.
He is the god of money. And the people here, everybody they worship him. He's a very great guy. Pentagon shell.
Oh, Pentagon is for luck.
Yeah, it's lucky. So that's why in Singapore, the coin, one cent in Singapore is in the Pentagon shell.
Oh,
In Singapore.
yeah.
1 cent. Long time ago. And the first time when he came here, he was so broke. He had to sleep on the street, and he's surviving by collect the trash, the plastic bottle for money. And then he saved enough money for his first business. The first business of him was about the animal skin and the shark fin. But then this guy, he saw an opportunity to change his life. At this time, the price of the rice in here was really low. And this man, he bought all the rice of the people around here. And then he started the fake news. He said that in the future, the price of the rice will gonna go up really high. And everybody believed in him. They came to him. They bought all the rice from him, and he became a millionaire since that. From the homeless guy, be a millionaire just few years. And then year after year, this man, he became the richest person ever in the South Vietnam at this time. Even the French afraid of him because he was so rich. So the fact, in fact, that he tricked the people to be rich, right? But the people in this place, they still respect him because this man, he did a lot of charity. He did a lot of charity for his community
yeah.
here. So he represent for the Chinese community here. That's why the people, they respect him. He bought the land here and he built the market for the people here. That's why when he died, the people, they worship him as the god of money. And
So grateful.
for the belief of Chinese and also Vietnamese, we believe that in a house there are always three gods in the house: the god of money, the god of the land, and the god of the kitchen. We worship the god of money.
Kitchen.
Yeah, we worship the god of money because we want to have the money. We want to have money, so that's why we worship the god of money. We worship the god of the land because he is the protector of the house, protect us from the bad spirit outside. And we worship the god of the kitchen because we believe that a family is still happy when we still eat together in the kitchen. That's why we worship the god of the kitchen also. So usually in a business place like the hotel or the restaurant or the coffee shop, you always see a mini altar on the ground. So on the ground is for the god of the land and the god of money.
Oh, okay. Very interesting. Basta kami dito sa market, nakabili ako ng mga ref magnets, keychains, and of course, ang famous Vietnamese coffee. So, sold na ako doon. And thank you very much for Red kasi dito niya ako dinala. Kasi nalaman ko sa kanya na ang coffee pala ay ng ibang mga binibenta sa Bentan Market is pretty pricey. So, dito sa market na to, mas magaganda ang deals. So if ever na pumunta kayo dito, punta kayo sa market na to para mas makasave kayo ng mas marami. So right now, pupunta naman kami sa Taoist Temple. So let's go.
Just walking slowly.
I just ran.
Just notice that in a Taoism temple, first we're not allowed to step on it. We have to step over it. It's like you step on it. It means some unlucky if you step on this thing. And the second door here, this is the door for the invisible thing. So it's also unlucky if you step over it. So they have two doors. The first door for us, for the normal people, and the second door is for the invisible thing, for the spirit.
Okay.
And yeah. We go to dishes 7. We have some fresh coconut water in there, and take a look into the dishes 4 of Ho Chi Minh City. That's a slum area, so let's take a look how it looks like in Ho Chi Minh City.
All right, thank you, Red. Let's go.
Yeah.
Can you try singing that again?
The Pano song?
Yeah.
Pano naman tayo.
Good.
Correct?
Yeah. We don't have these types of bananas.
How about the small one?
Yes, we
Yeah,
do.
yeah.
We call it señorita.
Yeah. I like it because it smells so nice.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Yeah. Dami mga prutas dito, guys.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Say yo in Vietnam.
Oh, yo. Do you call Chico again?
In Vietnamese, it's called saboche. In English, it's a sabodila. And in here, it's called
Sabodila. Oh, okay.
You know, my Filipino customer, they told me that in Philippines, they say that if they eat too much the chico, they will have the smell. They are drunk.
Ooh.
Yeah, they told me that.
So, ang Chico sa kanila is sabuche ang tawag. Hindi ko lang masabi sa kanya na meron din tayong sabuche. Pero, nasa ibang lugar ang sabuche natin. Dito naman kami ngayon sa Kiubao. Parang Cubao. So, kakain kami dito ngayon kasi sabi niya meron daw parang hinanda dito na parang beef dish na pwede namin in-try. So, pinakita na ni Res kung paano siya kainin. Lalagyan siya ng fish sauce, lalagay mo dito sa bowl, and then mix mo lang, and then you enjoy. So, kain mo na kami. And, it looks good. So, see you later. Ay, so kakatapos na namin kumain dito sa Kiubao. And masarap siya. Kinuha ko actually yung address nitong restaurant kay Red kasi gusto kong bumalik dito and kain ulit ako nung kinain namin kasi napakasarap niya. Yung fish sauce nila talagang luto, hindi siya masyadong maasim, medyo may pagkamatamis siya and super duper sarap. So ngayon uuwi na kami ni Red, babalik niya na ako sa hotel and we are going to call it a day. Ulit ako sa harap ng hotel ko, hinatid na ako ni Red and tapos na yung tour. I had so much fun and Red, thank you so much for touring me around.
It's my pleasure. I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy to go with you today.
Thank you.
Wish all the best to you. And see you Vietnam.
Thank you. So ayun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating tour with Red. Red, shout out, I wanna thank you. I really had fun. I appreciated every bit of the experience. And again, I am so lucky to have you as my tour guide. And during sa buong experience ko dito, the company I've been with, the people that have been with me are a blessing in itself already. Kasi it only takes one negative energy to ruin this whole experience, and I haven't had that. So Lord, thank you so much. Dahil sinurround mo ko sa mga tao na napakaganda and I'm very appreciative of that. Yeah. So I hope na-enjoy niyo yung vlog na to. Until our next adventure, until our next landing. Thank you so much for watching. Sana mag-subscribe kayo for updates. And of course, para samahan niyo ulit ako and let's be inspired. Let's have fun and enjoy every travel. So, thanks guys. Bye-bye. Until next time. We shoot.